Hey guys, it's just a quick packing video to show you what kind of things we throw in our backpack when we go on a long distance hike. This hike's a little bit different to other hikes because although it's not as long the distance as the other ones that we've done, it's about 112 kilometers, we don't really come across any shops along the way. So we're going to have to pack enough food for 8 days and carry that on our backs. Spring here and the weather is quite unpredictable. It's a beautiful day today, but the forecast is pretty rainy for this next week that we're hiking. And the weather can change really quickly from quite warm to pretty cold. So yeah, we've got to be prepared for all kinds of weather. So let's go and check what we put in the backpack. So guys, when we start doing a trip, we get all our stuff out, and this is kind of what our living room looks like at the moment. You can see Hammy's got his pack out here, sleeping bags. We just get it all out. We inflate our mattresses to see if they're still working. Yeah, so we just make sure everything is good to go. We put out the food that we're going to take. We like to use the Outdoor Gourmet Company because we can get a double portion through Snowy's Outdoors for $13.50 a pack. That's for 2 people, which is the cheapest we can get it anywhere. So yeah, it's brilliant, and the food is actually pretty darn good, I must be honest. Right, so my dining table is just full of stuff, so let's have a look. I'm just going to be walking this time in my Asics trainers, and then I've got a pair of sandals for the end of the day. I have 3 pairs of socks, a beanie to keep my head warm, and obviously the green hat I'm wearing I'll be taking as well. That's a buff to make sure that if there's really icy cold winds that we stay warm. Underwear, of course. I've got 2 hiking tops that are lightweight, super lightweight and quick dry material. There's a pair of leggings for the end of the day just to relax in. I have a merino top that I will be taking, and possibly a second one because the weather is very unpredictable here. 2 pairs of hiking pants, and the reason I will be taking 2 pairs is because I don't have rain pants and the weather forecast is not looking great this next week. So if I have 2 pairs, at least if one gets wet, I'll have another pair to wear. Then one of my favorite things is my puffer jacket. It's really comfortable, really warm, and it actually makes a good pillow at night time when you're hiking. And then I have a pair of swimming shorts and top just in case we're not going to come across showers. We might have to take a dip or 2 in the sea. My rain jacket, which is really important, and a very lightweight jacket if it's too hot so we don't get sunburned. That's like a super light windbreaker. A face mask. Whoever thought we would ever have to take a face mask hiking? I know, it's unbelievable, but anyway. Then I've got my rain cover for my backpack. We have sunscreen, which is very important, hand sanitizer, and lip balm. Lip balm is like the best thing to have hiking. The first time we did the Camino, I didn't take lip balm with me, and the first 5 days I regretted it. Even though it was early spring and cool, I regretted it so much because my lips just from the wind were hammered, and so that's like an absolute essential. 2 water bottles. This is my mattress, my blow-up mattress to inflate to sleep on. I have a quick dry microfiber towel that's quite small and compact. A seating pad to sit on. Those are also brilliant for when you're hiking, when you have to sit in wet places or uncomfortable places. They're excellent. So Hammy and I always split the tent in 2, so half of the tent is in here. That is the tarpaulin to put over the tent, and then I have 2 ultralight sleeping bags. Very ultralight sleeping bags that will go together because it won't be warm enough if I only take one or the other. So that's pretty much it. Oh, we have a first aid kit, of course, because you need to have emergency supplies if you need be. Extra rubbish bag. And yeah, that's pretty much it besides the food. I'm dividing it up into snack packs, dinners. So that's the food supply. I've divided out. So the backpack that I'm using is the Quechua Backpack. It's from Decathlon. I was given this backpack on our Tasmanian trail by our great friends Rita and Guido that we met along the way, and they ditched them. The one I've got is the Class 50. I think Hamilton's is the 60. Yep, there's Hamilton's, all packed and ready to go. They're really comfortable backpacks, easy to use and not overly expensive either, but we got them for nothing, so that was brilliant. And one other thing I forgot to mention that we obviously always take when we hike are hiking poles, which are an absolute godsend. They are so good when you're carrying a heavy weight on your back, so absolutely essential. So that's pretty much it. Besides the toiletries, obviously I've got a few little toiletry items like toothpaste, toothbrush, so that's pretty much it.